Hi, I'm Fiona Rothville. I'm a Senior Associate at Gordon Legal. I'm here to answer your most pressing questions about the JobKeeper package and legislation. The JobKeeper package has been hailed as a game changer. It's the federal government's $130 billion wage subsidy package to support business and employees. It's been set up to benefit up to 6 million workers, and 770,000 businesses have already registered. In short, the package is a $1,500 per fortnight before tax wage subsidy, which is paid by the ATO to eligible employers, who then pass it on to eligible employees. Eligible employees are full-time, part-time and casual workers who've been with the employer for more than 12 months. Also eligible are employees who have been stood down or rehired, provided that they were employed as of the 1st of March 2020. For an employer to be eligible, in terms of a small to medium business with a less than $1 billion turnover, they must estimate that their turnover has or will fall by more than 30%. For a large business, over $1 billion in revenue, they need to estimate that their turnover will reduce or has reduced by at least 50%. For not-for-profit organisations, they will need to demonstrate a 15% or more drop in turnover. You do not need to apply as an employee. It's up to the employer to apply. It's their choice, and it will depend on whether or not they're also eligible. 2 million workers will miss out on the scheme. That includes casual employees who have been with the business for less than 12 months, and also temporary visa holders such as international students, sponsored workers, working holiday makers and asylum seekers. Those who will be eligible include Australian citizens, permanent visa holders and New Zealand 444 visa holders. Your pay may be impacted by the introduction of the JobKeeper scheme. It will depend on your circumstances. If you continue to work as normal and your ordinary fortnightly pay is $1,500 or more before tax, you will continue to receive your pay in accordance with the relevant award, enterprise agreement or your contract. The JobKeeper amount will subsidise your ordinary wage. If your ordinary fortnightly pay is $1,500 or less before tax, you'll be paid $1,500 per fortnight. In this case, the JobKeeper payment will cover your wage, or in some instances, cover a bit more. Part-time or casual employees are the same. The JobKeeper payment is not calculated on a pro-rata basis. Critically, under the changes, there are provisions allowing an employer to stand down employees and reduce their hours, including to none. If your hours are reduced to none, then you will only receive the $1,500 JobKeeper payment per fortnight before tax. Alternatively, your hours can be reduced so that those hours match the value of the $1,500 payment. So you will perform less hours and receive the minimum payment.